everyone, and welcome back. Today it's just a quick unboxing. It's over a week late and I do apologise, but I've been that busy and stuff to do and everything like that, so I thought I'd just give you a quick late unboxing and the pickups. And just hold it quickly because I haven't had time. And there, just about that. And it's the Greatest Royal Rumble set. Let's quickly open up. Sorry about this being rushed and everything, but as I say, it's late and I haven't had time to do it properly or nothing, so oh, and the disc is loose. Didn't think there was, but there's. It looks okay to me. Actually, I'll take that around because it bugs the life out of me with them being the wrong way around. I'll check the disc properly in a minute, but it looks okay. There's a leaflet, but that can go. So there's the two discs. And there's the back. And it runs for 5 hours and 24 minutes. And if you want to read the back. So yeah guys, that is unboxing of the Greatest Royal Rumble. And I got all the little pickups. I got, I think the day before that came, I think it was. And it's a UK one, and it is Title Championship Wrestling, and it's flabbergasted. Okay, put it inside. There you go. If you want to have a look at the back. So yeah guys, that is a quick little update, and sorry about being so long with the, especially with the WWE release, but hopefully after this one it should be back to normal. So yeah guys, I've got a shout out. I promised someone a while ago and I just keep on forgetting, and I forgot to do it most things, but on YouTube it's called Extreme Wrestling, and I think to see him on Twitter, but I'll link his channel down below. He's another one who does collects wrestling DVDs and goes hunting for them in shops, things like that, and figure hunts and things like that, so please go and check him out. And yeah guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-ra.